Strings are sequences of characters used to represent and work with text in C# programs. Text is everywhere in the apps: usernames, messages, file paths, and C# makes it easy to work with strings and perform many operations on them. Common operations include .length to count characters, ToUpper and ToLower methods for case changes, contains to search text, and trim to remove extra spaces. A big time saver is string interpolation. Instead of joining pieces with plus, you can write $sign and then use curly brackets. You can even include calculations inside curly brackets like this. Remember, strings never change in C#. Every operation creates a new string.